The bow and arrow choke is one of the most powerful chokes you can know when starting out in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Let's get into it. Let's go over the grips and the setup. So first things first, thumb on the inside of the lapel. I don't want it too deep, I don't want it too loose, right in between going across his carotid artery. So we're in the turtle position, one knee on the inside, other foot on the outside. Now there's the important detail. When you do your switch, I'm switching to get my opposite foot on the inside hook. And then I want to control the pant legs here. As you roll through, roll over your shoulder. So as we're rolling through, I'm keeping all of my grips nice and strong, not losing any of them. I commit to the shoulder roll, and as I'm sliding through, I'm putting my shin on the back of his head. So I roll through here. So we're in this position. If you let go of the pant legs as you apply the choke, he's gonna then relieve the pressure by circling through. So keeping this grip is super important. Always control the pant legs. And now I have the ability to drive my shin forward. I'm gonna be pulling that grip back for the finish using gravity and my body weight. 3, 2, 1, apply. Good. That's the bow and arrow choke. His main defense for the bow and arrow choke is to reach back, find my arm, and pop it over his head. If he just remains here, I'll probably transition up towards the mount position in combat base. So what he wants to do next is start to shrimp. As he starts to shrimp, he creates space between us, and he recovers his position, keeping his frames in front. As he reaches back to defend the bow and arrow choke, I collect the arm and finish with a straight arm lock. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and you want to watch more videos, I'm offering a free course. You can sign up in the description below.